Okay, for this video, we're going to do accent taps on the snare drum. All right, one of the things about accents, obviously, is that we need to let the stick fall from a little bit higher height. So we're not really going to throw the stick down at the drum. We're just going to let it drop. Okay, we're going to let our wrist drop and then catch the stick on its way back up. So we're going to have an accent, which is from higher, and a tap, which is from lower. So accent, tap, 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 accent, tap, tap, tap. All right, same thing on the left hand. You can try that out. Accent, then a bunch of nice low bounces. Accent goes higher. There we go. And you can see on the music that there's an accent and then a number of taps, and that number of taps changes. We can put accents in any place we want, and it's going to change the note. So this is accent taps. We're starting at 60 beats per minute with the right hand, and then we'll switch to the left. Here we go. 1 and 2, nice even eighth notes. 1 and 2 and ready and go. And 1 and 2, nice and even eighth notes. Even when we have these accents, the tempo doesn't change. And 2 and 3 and 4. Switch hands. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay. There we go. So now we're going to speed up a little bit. We're going to try to keep that bounce from the head. Keep your fulcrum nice and firm. Keep your back fingers loose enough that the stick can bounce. Have a little extra space in the back of the hand. And we are going to speed up to 72. Okay, it's going to take a lot of focus, making sure you're putting these accents in exactly the right places. So here we go. 72 beats per minute. 1 and 2, nice even eighth notes. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Switch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, and you can see how in order to get the accent, we're just going to raise up higher and let the stick fall from higher up to get that louder sound. An accent should be a little bit louder, not a lot, but a little bit louder than the rest of the notes. So here we go. We're going to move up to 84 beats per minute now. 84 beats per minute, accent taps. 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2, really focus now. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now the really important thing is that we can hear the difference between the accents, and we should really be able to see the difference in your stroke between the accents and the taps, the regular notes. All right, we're going to move up to 96 here. 96 beats per minute. All right, same accent tap exercise, but we're really starting to work the wrist a little bit here, getting an understanding of how to get the bounce of the stick onto the head of the drum and back up into the air. So here we go. 96 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3. Left hand. Here we go. Okay, speeding up here, we're going to go to 108. 108. 1 and 2, really stay in time. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3. Here we go. And one more tempo here, 120. 120, here we go. Really get those wrists moving. This is a tough one now. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and ready, go. 2 and 3 and. All right, and there we have it. That is accent taps at 6 different practice tempos. Happy practicing.